Container gardening is an excellent way to grow fresh vegetables, even if you have limited space or poor soil. With the right container, soil mix and care, you can cultivate a wide variety of vegetables on your balcony, patio, or even windowsill. Here are the 10 best vegetables to grow in containers. 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a favorite among container gardeners. Choose compact or determinate varieties for smaller spaces. Ensure your container is large enough to support their root system and provide a sturdy stake or cage for support. 2. Peppers. Bell peppers, chili peppers, and sweet peppers thrive in containers. They don't require as much space as tomatoes and can add a pop of colour to your container garden. Use pots at least 5 gallons in size. 3. Lettuce. Lettuce is a fast-growing leafy green that's perfect for containers. You can sow seeds densely and harvest leaves as needed for salads. Choose shallow containers with good drainage. 4. Cucumbers. Compact cucumber varieties are well suited for containers. Use a trellis or vertical support system to maximize space and keep the fruit off the ground. A 5-gallon container works well for cucumbers. 5. Zucchini. While zucchini plants can be sprawling, there are dwarf varieties designed for container growing. Ensure the container is at least 5 gallons in size and provide a trellis or cage for support. 6. Carrots. Carrots are excellent for containers with deep soil. Choose shorter or round varieties to make harvesting easier. Ensure the pot is at least 12 inches deep to accommodate their long roots. 7. Radishes. Radishes are quick to mature and don't need a lot of space. They're ideal for small containers and can be sown in succession for a continuous harvest. 8. Herbs. Herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and chives thrive in containers. You can plant them together or in separate pots. Herbs are not only practical, but also add fragrance and flavor to your space. 9. Spinach. Spinach is another leafy green that's well suited for container gardening. It grows quickly, making it ideal for successive planting in small spaces. Choose a container with good depth. 10. Green onions. Green onions or scallions can be grown in containers year-round. They take up very little space and are a versatile addition to your culinary endeavours. Use a shallow container. With these 10 vegetables and some dedicated care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest from your container garden, no matter how limited your space may be. Container gardening is not only practical, but also a rewarding way to grow your own fresh produce. Thank you for joining us on this gardening journey today. We hope you found inspiration and valuable tips for your green oasis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our future gardening adventures.